Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to restrict a group chat in Messenger. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up the Messenger application on your Android and iOS. And once the Messenger application is opened up, then you need to open up that group that you want to restrict. So if we basically tap and hold the group here, you can see that we don't have any kind of option to restrict a group chat. And if we just open up the group and tap on this I option, and here you can also see that we don't have any kind of option to restrict the group chat. And even if you open up the desktop side, even if you open up Messenger in desktop, there you will also not see any option to restrict group chat. Okay, so unfortunately there is no option to unrestrict a group chat, but there is one thing that you can do here. Just open up your group, then tap on this I option, and then here you can see this mute option. Okay, so just tap on mute and mute, and then select until I change it and tap on OK. So what mute will do, that you will not receive any kind of message notifications or call notifications from this group here. Okay, so that is the way to basically restrict a group chat on Messenger. So guys, if you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.